Thanks very much, Jeremy. Football now, Cavalier and Real Mona will contest the final of the KSAFA Under-17 competition following semi-final wins on Saturday. Cavalier got the better of Pembroke Hall 1-0 in extra time. The winner coming in the 117th minute from Rojawn Small to secure Cavalier's place in the final.
Well, it's been a very good season. As you know, with Coach Speed, he has done an amazing job so far with the team. We have to give a lot of credit to the players as well. They've stuck in, especially in the quarterfinals versus Augustown. We went behind and they fought up until the end. They ran. Their players are injured, but they still came out and they put the work in, and I think they deserve to be in the final.
It's a disappointing end, but not hard done. The boys played their best. They left it all out there. I couldn't ask for anything more.
Real Mona booked their spot with a 2-0 win over Arnett Gardens at Buttercup Park. Kevon Holloway and Demar Wallace were the goal scorers.